Good morning, kids. I hope all of you are doing well and you had a great Janmashtami celebration at your place. And now it's time to come back to studies. Today, bacha, we are moving ahead with the topic annotation. Okay. Many of you already know it, but after checking your answer sheets, I realized that many of you also need little brushing up on the topic. Brushing up मतलब थोड़ा सा उसको और बेहतर कर लेना. Okay. So we'll be moving ahead with annotation, and I've realized that it is something very important when we are learning online. Okay, so are we ready to move ahead? Great. So of course the first part is objective. We will be able to annotate the given text. It is the simplest objective ever, I think. हम जो भी text दिया है उसे annotate कर पाएंगे. Okay. Now the question comes, what is annotation? Explanation or comment added to a text. एक टेक्स्ट में जो भी हम कॉमेंट्स या एक्सप्लेनेशन ऐड करते हैं अलग से, वी कॉल इट एनोटेशन टू मार्क वट एवर वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड वट एवर वी हैव डाउट अबाउट. सो बच्चा, व्हेन यू रीड अ टेक्स्ट, आपको कुछ चीज़ें समझ में आती है, आपको कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में डाउट होता है, कुछ चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. जब आप टेक्स्ट के ऊपर वो सब चीज़ें मार्क कर देंगे ना, तब आपका एनोटेशन पूरा हो जाएगा. ओके, दैट इज़ व्हाट एनोटेशन इज़. एक टेक्स्ट दिया है, उसमें हम क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं, क्या हमें समझ आ रहा है, क्या हमें नहीं समझ आ रहा है, क्या क्या एक्सप्लेनेशन है, जब हम वो लिख देते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एनोटेशन. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई इज़ एनोटेशन इम्पॉर्टेंट? सो दैट व्हेन वी रिवाइज इट इज़ ईजी फॉर अस टू अंडरस्टैंड. तो बच्चा, सपोज यू हैव अ टेक्स्ट, ओके, यू हैव एनोटेटेड एवरीथिंग, इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, डिफिकल्ट थिंग्स, ईजी थिंग्स, characters, settings, everything. So when before your exam, when you have to quickly revise that text, it's very easy for you. आपको देख के ही सब समझ आ जाता है. And बच्चा, trust me, it is easy. I used to do annotation like till my college. Okay, even in my college I used to annotate the text that I used to read. बड़े होके annotation बदल जाता है, तरीका बदल जाता है, पर annotation तभी भी करते हैं. And then before the exam it used to be so easy for me, like just go through it and it's done. Okay, second most important reason of why we are doing annotation today, so that Didi knows which kid has understood how much. तो बच्चा, when we are teaching offline, जब मैं क्लास में पढ़ाती हूँ, then I look at your faces and I understand whether you are understanding or not. Whether this is text, this is, suppose there's a text, whether kid A or kid B is able to understand or not, क्योंकि मुझे आप लोग दिखते हैं. But now when we are so apart and I'm teaching online, so how will I understand whether you're understanding or not, right? I will look at your annotation to see whether you are understanding or not. मैं देखूंगी कि अगर आपने सही एनोटेट किया, आपने कैरेक्टर सही लिखा है, आपने एक्सप्लेनेशन सही लिखा है, आपने इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें सही मार्क करी है, it will mean that you are understanding. Okay, so that is why we are doing annotation today. Shall we move ahead? Great. Now bacha, take screenshot of this and also write it down in your notebook. These are signs to be used to annotate. These are the 6 things that we will be doing as a part of annotation. First is character. When anything is a character, you will draw this structure above it. Setting. Setting मतलब कोई भी जगह हो सकती है. It could be Mumbai, it could be house, it could be jungle. जहाँ पे भी कहानी हो रही है, that place is a setting. उसके ऊपर आप क्या, ये घर बनाएंगे. Important. Whenever there's an important turn in a story, for example, King's Choice में, if we think what could be important important things, King's decision to create a court for him was an important decision, right? And Vulture's request to the king that king should try camel meat was also important. तो बेसिकली जो ऐसी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, उसके आगे से हम स्टार बनाएंगे. फीलिंग के ऊपर वील मेक अ हार्ट. यू नो, फीलिंग हैप्पी, फीलिंग सैड, फीलिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, फीलिंग ग्लूमी, फीलिंग ग्लैड, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर फीलिंग. Doubt. When you have doubt, there is a new word you're not understanding, there is some text you're not understanding, you will just make circle उसके आर पार. Okay, summary at the end. So basically once you are done reading a text, at the side or at the end, 2-3 लाइन में you will quickly write what you have understood. ठीक है? Quickly बच्चा, pause the video and write this down. Now let's move ahead. Now bacha, this text I will read it first and then I will annotate it for you in front of you all, okay? So the text is, long long ago there was a village. The name of the village was Pali. Pali had a very few houses. A boy named Ritim lived in a hut. Ritim was a naughty boy. Doing mischief used to make him happy. Once a dragon entered the village. Everyone got scared and started crying. But one thing that people didn't know about Ritim was that he was also very brave. So when everyone was crying, he decided to go out and meet the dragon. And soon after, everyone saw Ritim riding on the back of the dragon. Everyone was surprised. Okay, so bacha, this is our text for today and we will quickly annotate it, okay? So first we are reading that there was a village. The name of the village was Pali. So basically if you see, Pali is a setting here क्योंकि बात कहाँ पे की हो रही है, पाली की हो रही है. So you will just make a hut पाली के ऊपर. ओके बच्चा, अभी मैं इतना अच्छा नहीं बना पा रही हूँ पर आपको अच्छे से बनाना है. ओके ओके. Pali had very few houses. A boy named Ritim. Now Ritim is a character, correct? So you will draw ऐसा stick figure in front of Ritim. Okay. Ritim was a naughty boy. Doing mischief used to make him happy. Happy is a feeling, correct? So you will make a heart above happy. Okay. Once a dragon entered the village. Everyone got scared and started crying. Everyone was feeling scared. So scared is also a feeling here. But one thing that people didn't know about Ritim was that he was very brave. Okay. Now bacha, till here, find the word which you are finding difficult. Okay. Which you are finding new, for example. Okay, let's take mischief. Okay. Now if mischief is the difficult word, what will you do? Second line mein last word is, third line mein last word is mischief. You will just make a circle around mischief. Okay. But one thing that people didn't know about Ritim was that he was also very brave. So when everyone was crying, he decided to go out and meet the dragon. Now, if you see बच्चा, this is a very important part of this text. क्योंकि इस text के बाद ही story हमारी change होएगी. Okay, so you will just underline this and make a star. Okay. And soon after, everyone saw Ritim riding on the back of the dragon. Everyone was surprised. Everyone was feeling surprised. So surprised is a feeling here. Okay. Bacha, did you understand? And when we talk about character, there is one character that I haven't marked, but that could also be a character in this text. What could it be? Tell me, guess. Yes, it is clearly given in the picture. One character can also be the dragon. जो कहानी में वो सब character हो गए. Okay, तो dragon के वहाँ पे भी आप ऐसा बनाएंगे. Okay, am I missing anything else? Yes, बच्चा इसमें से I am missing something and that is the summary. Quickly 2-3 lines summary. जैसे मैंने short में लिखा है. It is about a boy named Ritim who was very naughty and brave. He befriends a dragon towards the end of the story. Befriends मतलब किसी को दोस्त बना लेना. So this is roughly what I understood from this text. I annotated it and then I wrote the summary. Okay. Bacha, if you think I have missed something in this annotation, you can do it yourself. Okay. Great. Okay, now there is one more text that I have already annotated. First I will read it for you and then we will look at the annotation that Didi has done. Okay. Asha was getting frustrated and tired of life. So she asked her father what to do. Her father told her to bring an egg, 2 tea leaves and a potato. He then brought out 3 vessels, filled them with water and placed them on the stove. Once the water was boiling, he told Asha to place the items into each pot and keep an eye on them. After 10 minutes, he asked Asha to peel the egg, peel the potato, and strain the leaves. Asha was left confused. Her father explained each item was placed into the same circumstance boiling water. See how each responded differently. He continued, the egg was soft, but it is now hard. The potato was hard, but it is soft now. And the tea leaves, they changed the water itself. The father then asked, when adversity calls, we respond in the same manner as they have. Now, are you an egg, a potato, or a tea leaf? Okay? Now, let's look at the annotation that I have done. So, Asha and father are characters, so I have made character sign above them. Frustration is a feeling, so I have made a heart above it. And I think when father gave these things to Asha to tell her to boil them, it was an important turn in the story. क्योंकि इसी के बाद हमारी स्टोरी एक नया टर्न लेती है. Okay, I have circled circumstances and responded because I think these are the difficult words. इसमें मुझे doubt है. Okay, and then at last also I find the last line very important, so I have started. Okay, now the last thing is the quick summary that I've written. It is a story about a father and daughter where the father taught a lesson to his daughter about life by giving example of egg, potato and leaf. Okay, so bacha, this is basically how we do annotation. I have done the annotation for you, and if you have any doubt, you can go back at the start of the video and watch the annotation again. But I think you will be able to understand it क्योंकि हमने annotation पहले भी काफ़ी बार किया. Okay बच्चा, now the last part is your work. Pause the video, write this text and annotate. Okay, अब आपको annotate करना है. Is it clear? Great बच्चा. I will wait for all of you to complete your work. And if you have been not assigned any other Didi, you will be sending your work to me. If I have added you in some group, you will be sending your work to that Didi. Okay? Now pause the video, finish this work. Happy learning everybody. See you in the next class.